Hi. So when last we left off, we had a rocket booster on our space elevator. However, that's very utilitarian, and for some of you, it's not going to be what you want to do. So we can just drag it off here because we may not need that. But you'll notice over here on the left-hand side, we have got all kinds of shapes here. So let's just pretend for now we want to put a heart on your spaceship, space elevator. You'll notice when I zoom in here that I have three arrows. I've got this arrow here, it's a half circle arrow, and it moves things along the x-axis. Then I have this arrow here, and it moves things along the y-axis. Now, the only hard one we'll have here is this one right here, which is kind of hard to see. So if we rotate it a little bit, you can see a little bit better. Too close. And that is my z-axis. So you'll notice if I move it 90 degrees, it puts it upright. Now the issue you might notice here is, or not issue, but the thing you'll notice is that if I'm rotating this on the inside of that circle, it's moving it in 22.5 degree angles. So every 2 clicks, it moves it 45 degrees. However, if I move it outside, it moves it 1 angle at a time. So we are going to move and make this at a 90 degree angle, which I know looks goofy right now, but it'll look better. Because you see how we turn sideways, now it's straight up. So I have the heart and it's turned straight up, and I'm going to push it and move it until it becomes part of the box. And you can tell it's going to do that because notice how that white halo kind of goes away as it becomes part of it. Yeah, so we're just going to push it in the box a little bit. And if we look sideways, we'll see that it's partially sticking out of the box, which is fine. So what I'm going to do now is just take this upper arrow. I'm going to move it up here because unlike the rocket booster, where I was very specific in what I wanted, I'm now going to try to just make this look good. However, this is a very awkward position for us to look at. So I'm going to click on the space elevator, and I'm going to click the second button here, which says Fit View to Selected Shapes. So if I click that, you'll notice all of a sudden that puts that in order. I'm going to click on my heart and move the heart up here. But you'll notice now when I move it up here, it's pushing it way, way far out in the distance. We don't want that. So sometimes it does this, and you have to move it to the side here to kind of showcase where you want it and change the axis you're moving on. Now you'll notice if I push it backwards, I can still move it way back. But if I move it this way, I can kind of get along the x-axis here. So we're going to make it there. And that's a really small heart, so I'm going to try to make the heart bigger. So I'm going to try to make the heart bigger here. That's a really ugly heart, so we're going to try to make it bigger like this. Bam. And now I've got a nice heart, but a shockingly large heart. Like, look how big that is. So I'm just going to go through on the X, and I'm going to kind of tighten this up a little bit. I'm not worrying about what's going through the inside of the box because I'll show you what we're doing later, but don't worry about that for now. So now I've got a giant heart on the box, and it's still not like super well separated. How about this? What if we use our good old align tool? So highlight the two things, go to align, and you'll notice I can align this like this. Bam. And now my heart is perfectly aligned on this. I'm not touching the Z again because look, if I touch the Z, it'll move the heart somewhere where I don't particularly want it to move. So I push it. I mean, the middle is not bad, but I definitely want to mess with it. And the Y we're not touching because the Y is going to push it inside the box, and I don't want it on the box. I want it pushing along the outside. So hopefully this answers questions you have. If you look in Google Classroom, you will see the amount of bling, which we're going to call this bling or flare. Let's call this bling. We'll talk about how much bling you need to have on your ship, space elevator. All right. Have fun, guys.